Welcome back to the channel. I'm AceB. Time for another reaction video, and this one is Naughty by Nature, Feel Me Flow. So let's check it out.
Just get down here, baby. Let everybody down here. We're gonna miss the bus. Just get down here, all right? No, that wasn't my beeper. Man, I don't know, somebody else's. Just get down here, all right? All right, all right.
Yo, this the Sizzler with the weather. As if you didn't know, this heat wave got us crazed.
Videos back in the day are so much better than videos
while you
today.
frying out there, you gotta know I'm trying in here. Trying to keep you cool, my brothers and sisters. Playing those frosty, cold, refreshing jams. All day, every day. Stay cool on the street, peeps. Beat that heat any way you can.
Oh yeah, I like this. Upbeat. Take it off, girl. God damn, she's hot.
You about to feel the chronicles of a bionicle lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission and just hitting. Now it's written and kitten, hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the moving is word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word. Damn, you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the town of Illy and alleys are full of Phillies and rallies. Suckers get silly and Sally. Them founding alleys and rallies. Really? So here we go. Now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me. Flow. Never Nixon with tricking brothers bitching over fixings that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things is spitting and getting written on. You're like a bad platter, boy, you're pissing me off. Boy, you even started. So what? So long. See you fly by my try. How else could I say it when you play it? Try boom. Bye.
That's Tretch, right? He's got a sick flow. I like his flow. He's killing this.
Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, come and feel me flow. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, come and feel me flow. The flow pro poetical with skills only a better. No where's the weather flow that's on point like decimals. Manhandling new crew, partying with the zoo crew, looking for the pink and poo poos. I thought you knew two stone styles of stamina, jamming. And while we're planning the jam, we bust plus with a party amateur damages, managing damaging mics, men, and even mannequins. You're a fan again. Now I wanna know who's the man again. Naughty's back like vertebrae. Word to hey I ho. The way I show you pray I flow. Steady breaking to the boogie, so bang time to slang bang and watch all the poo tang tang tang.
Watch all the poo tang tang tang.
Beat the break into boogie. Firm and fully chase bass lines like bullies. All we wanna know is if your body wanna party. It's the poop tang tang for everybody. So hip up and split up, get up, your wit up, souped up, put your dukes up, no guts set up for sit up, flip up, watch us rip up, shake shows until they fizz up, rizz up like you're with us. If not, zip up your lip up, whip up. Hits with ransom, foul styles get in once. We came back cause we heard it pop needed another anthem. Black like Noah, in fact then for ya. And we was back in the days with the juices, we'd have been known as the flowers. Since the 70s, find me. So we went crazy in the 80s, so we won't kiss heinies in the 90s. Oops, the naughties, troops in sections of 40. So clap your hands and hold your shorty. I'm naughty. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, come and feel me flow. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, come and feel me flow. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, come and feel me flow. Here we go now. If you hear me.
Nice. I like that. That was hype. Something upbeat. I'd play that at the start of your day. Get your day going. Yeah, I like Naughty by Nature. Tretch, he kills it. I like that song all the way around. The song was dope. The video was dope. The beat was upbeat. Makes you feel good. Yeah, that was awesome. Alright, make sure to subscribe. Any videos you want to see in the comment section. And I'll catch you at the next one. Peace.